everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys have requested for me to do like a beauty room tour, so we're gonna go in now, shall we? Welcome to my beauty room, guys. Sorry it took me so long, but there was a few tidy ups, but I think I finally got everything in here to finally show you guys my little room tour. So I guess we'll start from this side and then we'll go through this way. So over here I have basically all the items that I need to film and then my essential stuff while doing like get ready with me for you guys. Usually I have this one here in front of like my setup, but we're just putting it here aside for now. And then I guess chair that I sit on during filming too, and then my little mirror area. And then we're gonna go towards this way here. So I have two IKEA shelves on both sides and they just have like display items. So here are like some limited edition items and all my high-end lipsticks as well. And then over here I have a lot of not a lot, but like 3 Gucci perfume candle that I turn on during the filming. And then over here I have, you know, pictures, frames that I find possibly meaningful to me, I guess. And my little doggy here, it's not her, but basically it's like a look-alike. But yeah, and then like a little Bible verse from Corinthians as well. And then obviously you guys know I love my eyelashes, so I have to have it there. And then on this side here I have all my larger brushes that I don't really often use, so they just really stay here for display really. And then all my bigger eyeshadow palettes go in here because they don't really fit in my drawer. And then some random palettes that I don't use as well or has been discontinued, they stay down there. Just ignore the mess down here, guys, because these are basically stuff I want to declutter, and then these are obviously the eyeshadow collection videos that I'm currently filming for you guys. So we're gonna focus on this area here, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are interested in. So over here I have again all the Etude House limited edition stuff, which I thought was really cute to display. So you got like the Winnie the Pooh, Tom and Jerry collection. All my lip liner stays here, some jewelry, my little Louis Vuitton perfume stand here, my Luxe Velvety tint stay here as well, and then my little perfume collection. And I'm sure you guys all know what this one's is. These are all my Petty Peta lip collection, which I feel like I should actually put it out because these are what I usually film for you guys, so they stay out here. We're gonna open up the drawers one by one, but I'm not gonna do them like in detail. I'll just show you guys briefly. If you guys really want to see like a makeup collection, put it down below and then we'll go through them one by one. But we're gonna start with this first drawer here, and these are all my face related products, I guess. So I have my blushes here, and my concealers, my primers, and then at the back I have some powders. The reason why I put them at the back is because I don't really use powder, and I'm sure you guys know that. And these are all my liquid foundations, my highlighters, all my bronzers, and these are all my cushions. A little bit messy, but you guys can see how I was trying to organize it. Then this drawer here focuses more on the eye stuff. So all of this here are all the eyeshadow palettes, and then my liner stuff. So these are the black and these are the brown. And then over here my mascara, primer, and then these are my eyebrow pencils. And then at the back I have all those loose shadows and liquid eyeshadows at the back here too. And then these are all refills of new products like eyeliner and mascaras. And then we get to the last drawer, which is pretty exciting. And these are all my fake eyelashes. I'm sure you guys know I always have to wear my fake eyelashes, and these are majority of them are all Japanese lashes because I do love my Japanese contact lenses. And then I do have all the Western one here, like ColourPop, House of Lashes, Petite Lashes as well. I'm gonna start from the bottom up because this is the top one, is the most exciting drawer. So we're gonna start from here, which I'm sure you guys have seen if you guys watch me declutter my skincare. These are all random hair here, but these are basically all the skincares that I am going to use eventually, but I just store them here for now. And this drawer here is also pretty exciting. These are all, oops, sorry. These are all my contact lenses, and majority of them are O-lens actually. Like this whole thing here, up to here, these are all O-lens. But yeah, so I like to just line them up so I can see what I have. And are you guys ready for this drawer here? Ready, guys? These are all my lip products. So I try to organize them as much as I can by the brand. So we have Laneige here, 3CE here, and then a lot of this liquid from It's Skin, Etude House, of my Just a 10 here, and then random brands of liquid lip liners goes here, liquid lipstick goes here, or my Innisfree goes here, Etude House, ColourPop, BBIA, Innisfree. So you can see I try to categorize them by the brands, and then when it gets really full and I have to put them in, that means it's time for decluttering. But yeah, it's really satisfying to actually open up and see how this drawer looks like. I hope you guys enjoy my beauty room tour. If there's anything specific you want me to go through in detail, definitely put it down in the comment box below and possibly do another video for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.